हेलो स्टूडेंट, स्वागत है आपका मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल स्टडी विद डॉक्टर पवन ओबराय पर। मैं डॉक्टर पवन ओबराय, हेड ऑफ डिपार्टमेंट फैकल्टी ऑफ कॉमर्स, भगवती कॉलेज मेरठ। व्यूवर्स, इस वीडियो में मैं आपसे डिस्कस कर रहा हूँ सीसीएस यूनिवर्सिटी मेरठ का इंग्लिश मीडियम में जो 2017 में क्वेश्चन पेपर हुआ था प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ मार्केटिंग का। ठीक है, तो इससे पहले मैंने आज जो है सुबह से लेके अब तक 3 क्वेश्चन पेपर अपलोड कर दिए हैं, 2019 का, 2018 का और 2016 का। कल रात को मैंने 2020 का भी क्वेश्चन पेपर अपलोड कर दिया था। तो मैं 400 क्वेश्चन इंग्लिश मीडियम में अपलोड कर चुका हूँ सीसीएस यूनिवर्सिटी मेरठ के, क्योंकि कल आपका एग्ज़ाम है इसका 24 जुलाई में। ठीक है, तो मैक्सिमम बच्चे जो पूछ रहे हैं कमेंट, तो मैंने बार बार यही कहा है अपनी वीडियो में कि आप प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ मार्केटिंग का पेपर ही मेरे हिसाब से सिलेक्ट करें। अगर मैं आपकी जगह होता तो प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ मार्केटिंग ही चुनता, क्योंकि ये पेपर कई सालों से हो रहा है सीसीएस यूनिवर्सिटी में, तो अच्छा पेपर है। और इकोनॉमिक लॉ जब फर्स्ट टाइम पेपर होगा तो कह नहीं सकते कि किस लेवल का क्वेश्चन पेपर आएगा। ठीक है, तो एक अंदाज़ा जो लगाया तो उससे रिलेटेड इकोनॉमिक लॉ के एमसीक्यूज़ जो हैं वो दे रखे हैं प्लेलिस्ट में। और स्टूडेंट्स बार बार कमेंट कर रहे हैं कि इसका पेपर नहीं है, प्रिंसिपल मार्केटिंग का इसका पेपर नहीं है। तो मैं बार बार कह रहा हूँ कि आप मेरे सब्जेक्ट की प्लेलिस्ट विजिट करें, प्लेलिस्ट आप विजिट करें, वहाँ पर आपको जो भी कोई मटेरियल है आपको बहुत कुछ उसमें मिलेगा। ठीक है व्यूअर्स, तो जिन्होंने मेरा चैनल नहीं सब्सक्राइब किया, स्टडी विद डॉक्टर पवन ओबराय चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिएगा, लाइक और शेयर भी करते रहिएगा अपने फ्रेंड सर्कल में, है ना। चलिए वीडियो बच्चों, चलिए डिस्कस करते हैं। तो कोशिश करेंगे कि आपको कितने आंसर इसमें से आते हैं आप अपने आप ही अंदाज़ा लगा लीजिएगा। ठीक है, मैं थोड़ा सा स्लो बोलूँगा जिससे आपको कुछ सेकंड जो हैं वो सोचने के लिए भी मिल जाए। एग्ज़ाम में तो देखिए 90 मिनट मिलेंगे आपको सोचने के लिए, लेकिन यहाँ पर जो है इतनी देर नहीं दे सकते वीडियो में। Question number 1 is marketing is the delivery of living standard. This definition is of A. Paul Maju. Marketing comprises both buying and selling. This definition is of Pyle. Which is not a merchandising function of marketing. C. Transportation. Marketing is not an auxiliary function of which is not an auxiliary function of marketing. Storage. Physical distribution functions of marketing include transportation. Petrol, cooking, gas and paper are the examples of dash market. Sellers. Car, TV, scooter, cycle, pressure cooker R is the example of dash market. Buyer. Which of the function is not included? Which of the function is not included in the category of middleman? Advertising agencies. Retailers include option D, all of the above: chain soaps and retail stores and postal trade organization. So D is correct, all of the above. Facilitating agencies include D, all of the above. Marketing advisors, advertising agencies and transport companies. Who is the known as the father of marketing management? Philip Kotler. Marketing expenditure is a burden. Option D, none of the above, means no consumers, on consumers, no on businessman and no on industry. So D is correct, none of the above. Marketing concept is useful for D, all of the above: producers, consumers and economy. The old marketing concept is A, product oriented. Customer satisfaction is the main motto of dash marketing concept. Macro. In the factory we make cosmetics and in the drug store we sell hope. Who said this statement? Charles Revson. The purpose of a company is to create a customer. This statement is of Peter F. Drucker. In modern marketing concept, the main priority is given to dash customer. The main object of marketing management is D. All of the above. Create customer satisfaction to customers and increase profits. Marketing mix remains variable. What are the main elements of marketing mix? D. All of the above. Sales force, pricing and marketing research. According to McCarthy, P's of marketing mix are 4. Which is not a method of motivational research. तो ऑप्शन डी नन ऑफ दी अबव है ना. नो वर्ड्स एसोसिएशन टेस्ट, नो थीमेटिक एप्रिसिएशन टेस्ट एंड नो द पैथ इंटरव्यू. तो डी इज करेक्ट, नन ऑफ दी अबव. द बेस ऑफ मार्केटिंग रिसर्च इज सी. both A and B means qualitative informations and quantitative informations. Marketing research is wider than market research. This statement is true. Which marketing organization is suitable for small organization? Function oriented, product oriented marketing organization is dash expensive more. Which basis would you use for the departmentization of a small enterprise? तो इसकी एक्चुअली कुछ PDF फाइल में प्रॉब्लम आ गई है. B. On the basis of functions. Main object of sales organization is controlling the sales activities of sales personnel. Specialization is possible in line and staff sales organization. This statement is true. In environment, only one thing is fixed, and that is exchange. This statement is of Alvin Toffler. The macro environment factors of marketing environment are 8. Strategic marketing planning is dash for a developing country like India necessary. Strategic marketing planning is expansion of marketing activities. Market segmentation is the strategy of dividing marketing in order to conquer them. This statement is of Robert. Which of the following strategy is related to market segmentation? D. All of the above. Undifferentiated, differentiated and concentrated. Market segmentation is in the interest of D. All of the above. Trader, consumer and manufacturer. The nature of Indian buyer is D. All of the above. To lodge complaint, to purchase cheap, to bargain. According to A.H. Maslow, the hierarchy of needs are 5. The whole behavior of a person while making purchases may be termed as consumer behavior. This statement is of option C, Gothi. Which is not an economic factor of affecting consumer behavior. Social needs. The advertisement slogan of LIC जीवन के साथ भी और जीवन के बाद भी is an example of emotional motives. The first choice of Bollywood heroine is Lux soap. It is an example of emotional motives. Wine, cigarette, cosmetics are the example of maturity products. Clothes, sweets, biscuits, butter, breads are the example of hedonic product. Learning model of consumer behavior is propounded by Pavlovian. The behavior of a consumer is insight. Consumer bias purchases products for himself and his family. A consumer can collect buying information from see both A and B, formal sources and informal sources. The following is not a part of formal source of buying information. B. Patronage of firm. The term product concept was first used by Theodore Levitt. Product mix are mainly affected by D. All of the above: production, financial and marketing. Consumer products are subclassified into D. All of the above: convenient product, shopping product and specialty product. 54. The key feature of convenient products are D. All of the above: more buying frequency, quick use and products are not durable. Furniture, ladies garments, costly sarees and costly sets of crockery are the example of shopping products. According to R.S. Dower, the main types of product are 3. The number of customers are more in dash products. Consumer. The demand of dash product is autonomous. Consumer. In case of sale of durable goods, the main emphasis is given on D. All of the above: personal selling, after sale services and earned more profits. Trading up strategy means A. Adding high price product in product line. The main motto of product differentiation strategy is option A. General service of whole market. The main motto of market segmentation strategy is B. Special service of limited market. Which of the following advantage of product simplification is not considered as its advantage? C. Increasing industrial instability. Labeling is compulsory. Maximum wide scope is of packaging. When a manufacturer allots one brand name for all products for category, it is known as family brand. When a manufacturer uses a brand name for all its manufactured products, it is known as umbrella. In dash brand, the price of the product is fixed at low rate by the manufacturer. B. Fighting. Tata brand name is used for soap, truck, diesel, diesel engine, shampoo, coconut hair oil, etc. is an example of blanket brand and umbrella brand. So option D is correct. Both A and C. Both B and C. Brand includes trademark, but trademark does not include brand. This statement is true. The registration of brand is voluntary. When the working color design of packaging is tested, this test is known as visual test. Essential Commodities Act passed in 1955. The idea of warranty is based on the principle of seller beware. The stages of product life cycle are, देखिए 4 लगाइएगा यहाँ पर, ठीक है, ध्यान रखिएगा। 6 यूनिवर्सिटी के आंसर की में सेव नहीं है, 4 ही है, तो आपको 4 ही लगानी है। The product life cycle is an attempt to recognize distinct stages in the sales history of a product. This statement is of Philip Kotler. Which of the following steps can be taken for the extension of product life cycle? Option D, all of the above. Means product modification, new markets and new uses. चलिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 79. In entry stage of a product, a different strategy is needed. This statement is true. Mostly new products are unsuccessful. New product development means all of the above. Adding a new product in product line, emphasizing the old product and emphasis on consumer satisfaction. According to William J. Stanton, the phases or price determination process are 6. When the demand of any product is dash, then change in price never affect on the quantity of purchase. Perfectly inelastic. Non-price competition is considered as a mixture of price and promotion. When the manufacturer of Dalda refined sets its rate at $3.99, such pricing policy is called as psychological pricing. While fixing the price of a new product, manufacturer can adopt option B, D, all of the above. Penetration pricing policy, skim the cream price policy and follow of price leaders policy. In marginal cost methods, that costs are to be considered for fixing the price of a product variable. Which is the following is not the function of channel to distribution? Managing production. Which of the following is not a method of direct distribution? Sale by wholesaler. Wholesaler render service towards retailer and society. Which of the following is not characteristic of retailer? Generally sells goods on credit. The following formula is propounded by Philip Kotler. Promotion mix includes D, all of the above. Advertising and publicity, personal selling and sales promotion. Personal selling includes all of the above. Selling enhanced to goodwill of the firm and services to the customers. The medium of publicity is press. Distribution of free samples included in consumers' protections. Need of international marketing was felt because of the growing competition in national market. Method of entry into foreign market includes D, all of the above. Direct investment, joint ventures, export. What can be sold in international marketing? Option D, all of the above: products, services and ideas. 98. Method of entry into foreign market includes: Option D, direct investment, joint ventures and exports. And last question is 100. Most popular method of entering into international marketing is license. और ये स्टूडेंट्स ये CCS यूनिवर्सिटी के आंसर किए है ना, जिसके अकॉर्डिंग मैंने आंसर बताए हैं। तो इसमें जो आंसर बताए हैं सिर्फ वही है, केवल एक आंसर जो है वो इसमें चेंज किया था, वही था प्रोडक्ट लाइफ साइकिल का, जो कि 6 के हिसाब से है ना, क्वेश्चन नंबर 76। तो उसमें देखिए C दे रखा है, लेकिन ये थोड़ा सा करेक्ट करके बताया, होती 6 ही है, बस CCS यूनिवर्सिटी की आंसर की में 4 के हिसाब से अकॉर्डिंग टू फिलिप कॉटलर। ठीक है व्यूवर्स, ये आपके क्वेश्चंस पूरे हो गए हैं। 500 क्वेश्चंस मैंने जो है अपलोड कर दिए हैं इसके। बाकी मेरी प्लेलिस्ट में 2015 का क्वेश्चन पेपर्स है और 2013 का भी है। कोशिश करूंगा कि 2014 का मेन पेपर और बैक पेपर और ओल्ड कोर्स न्यू कोर्स जो भी मेरे पास अवेलेबल है तो मैं उसको डिस्कस कर दूं। इकोनॉमिक लॉ का कोशिश करूंगा, स्टूडेंट्स की डिमांड आ रही है कि इकोनॉमिक लॉ का भी करिए, तो कोशिश करूंगा कि मैं एक आध पेपर जो है मॉडल टेस्ट पेपर इकोनॉमिक लॉ का भी जो है मैं अपलोड कर दूं। ठीक है व्यूवर्स, देखिए आपके साथ मेरी भी मेहनत चल रही है, तो इसलिए वीडियो को लाइक जरूर कर दिया कीजिएगा। ठीक है, आप लोग देख रहे हैं तो मेरा भी इसमें बहुत टाइम लगता है एक वीडियो को बनाने में, तो इसलिए वीडियो अगर देखें तो उसको लाइक जरूर किया करें। ठीक है व्यूवर्स, थैंक यू।